Allô poule, ça va bien, j'espère. On est en route pour aller te visiter. À l'instant, on est sur le coin de Lemieux puis Van Horn. Puis il y a un chauffeur de taxi qui nous a fait apercevoir que le tire était flat. Fait qu'on va le réparer, ok? On va changer ça. Là, on va commencer. J'ai commencé à trouver mes outils. Parce que j'ai besoin de mes outils. Là, j'ai cherché en arrière du câble. La clé est supposée d'être là-dedans. Là-dedans, ils vont prendre une clé. Mais là, il faut qu'on trouve le jack handle lug and wrench. On top of radiator support at the front of the engine compartment. What the fuck? Fait que je vais essayer de voir radiator support. Toi, c'est quoi un radiator? Moi, je sais. La petite âge là, elle pense qu'elle sait comment ouvrir ça, mais c'est pas elle qui a une petite patente qui s'est poussée. Une petite clé. Bon. Là, on a ouvert ça. C'est quoi qu'on cherche exactement? Jack handle lug wrench. What are we looking for?
No,
jack handle.
What can you do?
Jack handle.
Let me stop it.
Yeah. Might as well just record the whole thing. They told us to do that. Jack handle and lug wrench.
It's probably
What's a radiator? What's it look like?
radiator. It's really hot, I know that. So might wanna.
Yeah. Peut-être que je vais falloir que j'appelle mon père, demander c'est quoi le jack handle pour lug wrench. Parce que comment que je vais trouver ça si je sais même pas qu'est-ce que je cherche.
Il n'y a pas de photo?
Le radiateur, ben il y en a comme. Il y a ça comme photo.
Ben c'est ça.
Ça, j'ai trouvé ces deux affaires-là. Engine
Je pense
oil.
que ça va être chaud. Ouais.
On va aller chercher le téléphone, on appelle Daryl. You call my dad. Do you have free calling right now?
Yeah. Oh, I know where your phone is.
Ah, okay. $305-0748 send. L'écran sur mon téléphone, il marche même pas. Stop. Ça sonne même pas. Ah, ça sonne. Faut qu'on... Did you take the book with you?
No.
Idiot. Regarde-toi pas, je sais c'est quelle page. 202. Dad, what is a jack handle and lug wrench? Okay, because it's telling me here it's on top of the radiator support at the front of the engine compartment. Oh, I found it already then. Okay, good. So, we're good to go. Thanks, Dad.
You found it?
Yeah, found it already. Ok, fait que ça va bien, on a déjà trouvé tout ça. On n'a plus besoin d'être
Ben là.
là-dedans. Bye.
Where is it?
It's behind the seat.
Oh.
Mon père l'avait changé de place.
Okay.
Ok. Comme sur Angela, we found almost everything. We just need to get this baby out. Oh, I don't know how. Oh no. Ay, ay, ay. Fuck. There. juste pogner une petite affaire. C'est bien simple.
Do you want me to try? You want to pull?
It's just, you gotta pull it over this thing and then... Fuck you. Fuck. Shit.
Look at me on your forehead. There's such a big vein coming out.
Yeah, alright. Oh, je m'en rappelle plus quoi faire. First things first, qu'on est en arrière du pick-up et qu'on ôte le tire. The spare tire.
Well,
Fuck. This is where things are going to get complicated, pulling the spare tire out. I have no
this
idea
is
how
where
to
I
do
should
that.
probably shut the camera off for a second.
Yeah, you could shut it off and then start it again. Or just leave it running. How many
Well,
minutes
do you need
are
help getting the tire?
we? We might. We don't know.
No, we're good. We're at 6 minutes.
Oh.
We have an hour to go.
Good, good. Okay. So the following tools are required to remove spare tire. One handle extension and one typical extension. And that one, I think. One's got a... Oh, they're already together. Remember, Dad's planning ahead. To assemble, align button, blah, 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 blah. You're done. One wheel nut wrench. Slide over square end of jack handle.
Where is this tire exactly? Under there?
It's under, yeah, it's, I don't know how to get the tire out.
Isn't it really heavy?
I'm about to find out.
Like that looks like. Is it
We're
inflated?
tough. Yeah, I hope the spare one's inflated. Okay. If equipped, unlock and remove the spare tire lock from the rear. Okay, there's a spare tire lock. From the rear bumper driver tube using the spare tire lock key and the jack handle. But look, I don't understand.
Ooh, smooth
Spare-
gypsy blanket.
Tire, it's for horse. Horse blankets. Ok, là on va voir Paul qu'est-ce qui se passe en dessous de spare tire lock. Just to sing that. Pass me the camera. Pas aussi simple que ça. No fucking idea how I'm gonna get that out. Or maybe I can unscrew it. I don't know. We'll see. There's Angela the sidekick. Woo! Into the truck. Did you see Angela?
Yeah, what the hell?
You know what? The instructions just weren't that clear.
It looks like it's just gonna drop on you, so move.
Well, it's not gonna drop. I haven't done anything to it. Oh, there's the tire. On était bien coiffé avant, là, mais plus maintenant. Alright.
I say we stay.
Huh?
I say we.
Okay, take two. We've decided that this hole here might lead. Ouais, ça vous a apporté à cette affaire-là. Mais je sais pas. On sait pas. Ah. Oh, il avait me pogné dans la tête avec ça. Oh, let's try not to dismantle the whole engine. Not that I have any better
Well,
ideas.
show me the other thing.
Careful, this blanket's wet. Yeah, in case you want to put your knees on it. Bon. Fait que notre petit plan, ok, on en retourne au lit. See, we're missing these two things.
But that's what this was.
No, because it's like,
Connecting? It's not this connected?
No, but like just look for like see, notice this little nut thing? But is that a plug for that hole? Okay, insert the hook.
It's like, what part of the vehicle is that?
I think it's that hole we were just in. I don't know. Alright, what's it say? 3. Insert the hook end of jack handle into the rear bumper drive tube.
Oh, we have to loosen it. Oh, never mind.
Oh, don't go to step number 3. We haven't really finished 2, but we're hoping going to 3 will help us out.
The handle will stop. Okay, if equipped, unlock and remove the spare tire lock from the rear bumper drive tube. That has to be the tube.
Okay, presume that's a tube.
Using the spare tire lock key.
But I found the key, but I'm still not sure what it is.
I'm sure we have to do that.
Maybe I found out the key I'm not supposed to find.
Insert the hooked end of the jack handle. That?
The hooked end of the jack handle. Okay, we're gonna twist something, and it's going to...
So yeah, we stick that into there. Twist whatever.
The handle will stop moving, and then you will feel forward resistance.
Kept moving it.
Turning when properly engaged. Turn the handle counterclockwise and lower the spare tire until you can slide the tire. Oh yeah? Okay. Let's try this out now. Let me go have another look in the glove box. What's a tempo? No, we need that thing. See, I was thinking this might be the key, but what if that's not the key they're talking about? Because it told me to find a key in here. Now, there's a key to unlock. Well, see, maybe everything's behind this. Like my dad said everything's behind this. Okay, so now. Spatula. Funnel, spark plug. Ow, my knife! I wondered where this went. I don't know. Because now I'm going back to the part where my dad said everything was behind the seat. Maybe the key's back here, and I just don't know what the fuck it is.
Is it actually a key?
Oh,
I don't think so.
It seemed so simple when I opened up the glove compartment and found a key. So do you feel...
It's gonna be like a little lock, yeah.
Well, I don't know. Oh, Angela, the hooked end, they said. They said the hooked end. Did you put this end in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried both, but yeah, that's the hooked end.
Okay.
It doesn't really, it feels like there's like a dead end in there. Counterclockwise, eh?
I'm trying to hook onto something.
Yes.
As if it's this complicated.
We're just idiots if that's not even the right thing. What's this all? No.
I don't know what else it could be. Has to be this. Yeah. I want to take my sunglasses off.
So do it.
No, I know where to put them.
I'll put them on.
Oh, you won't put them on?
Do you really want to take them off?
Yeah, you wear them for a second.
Well, yeah, do it.
Part 3. Yeah, she keeps closing the book. Okay, 202. Insert the hooked end. No, okay. The hooked end is supposed to... Okay, so we're going to pull this thing out. We're trying to catch a little spring, and we're going to pull that out. So what's going to happen?
Yeah, that is definitely the end.
So we're looking for like a little spring on the inside?
There's no spring though. I think
Like
we're supposed to put that in there. I think. Equipped and lock and move the spare tire.
We might need to make another phone call. Call a friend.
And the jack handle. See, because we're supposed to... I know. Doesn't it make it seem like we're supposed to put that piece in?
It's giving me that impression, but I'm thinking the piece might just be in there anyway.
Well, obviously not, because I don't feel it. Do you feel a hook in there?
No.
Unless we're in the wrong hole.
I hate it when these things have too many holes. You never know which one to get in.
What? That was like a sex joke.
It was supposed to be.
You're just like, fuck, I don't know. Just like pushing it in and out.
I try to find a little spring that doesn't
Making sweet love
exist.
to the truck.
I am making sweet, harsh love to the truck. Calling Dad and
No, I
asking
can't
him
see
about the
shit.
key.
Put these glasses on.
No, the glasses have to go back into the truck.
Yeah. Stopping the video.
D'accord. Après avoir appelé mon père encore, ça a l'air que c'est ça la clé. Hein, la même qu'on voit dans le page 203. There we go. C'est ça notre petite clé. Comme ça.
Et là, pourquoi il y a deux parties? Non, non, je pense que les deux sont là.
Une en dans l'autre. Ok.
Ouais.
Bon. Ah!
Are you sure? Yeah? Okay.
I'm thinking so.
Counterclockwise, eh?
We can't even turn it. Nothing's happening. Oh, but wait.
What? Oh. Good call.
Uh-huh. If I can get it in.
Faster. Woo!
Oh, you see movement?
Nobody else knocked me out with that and then,
Are my underwear showing?
no.
Anything happening?
No.
Nothing. Oh, we're
Oh, yeah.
figuring it out.
Thank you.
Step by baby step. Anything happening, Angela?
No.
Aw.
Just keep going.
It doesn't even resist me anymore.
Maybe it unhooked.
Think?
Imagine you lost a piece in there.
Anything?
No.
What? Read step number 4.
Number 4.
Well, we read step number 3.
Check if that tire lies flat on the frame assembly. Push against the tire. Make sure it's tightly seated under vehicle. Loosen. Wait, turn it clockwise.
Clockwise.
Yeah. Turn the jack handle clockwise until tire is raised to its original position underneath. Wait.
That's when I'm putting it back.
Oh. So why'd you say number 4? Number 3 said clockwise. Okay, no, I was on stowing. Okay, I was on the wrong thing. Okay, insert the hooked end of the jack handle into the rear bumper drive tube. The handle will stop moving and you will feel forward resistance to turning when properly engaged. Turn the handle counterclockwise and lower the spare tire until you can slide the tire rearward and the cable is slack.
What cable? Okay, so if it's not engaged, it just spins around. Like, how much should I have to turn this?
It's not moving at all. But has it gotten lower?
Has it?
I don't think so. Well, I know I haven't seen it move.
Hey. This sweater keeps getting stuck. Isn't this supposed to happen like on some hot, sunny day in the desert somewhere? So it looks good when I do this? It looks so stupid.
I can tell you have noticed this.
Huh? Wait, cut? Are you cutting?
Yeah.